Here are some tips for extending and taking care of your phone battery life. Reduce screen brightness and timeout. Dimming your screen and reducing the amount of time it stays lit can greatly reduce battery drain. Turn off unnecessary features. Features such as GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi drain battery when not in use, so be sure to turn them off when not needed. Limit use of power-hungry apps. Apps like games, social media, and video players can use a lot of power, so limit your use of them. Use power-saving mode. Many smartphones come with a built-in power-saving mode that limits background activity and reduces performance to extend battery life. Keep your phone cool. Avoid exposing your phone to extreme temperatures, as high heat can cause permanent damage to the battery. Uninstall apps you don't use. Having unused apps on your phone can slow it down and drain the battery, so it's best to remove them. Update your phone's software. Regular software updates can improve your phone's performance and battery life by fixing bugs and optimizing battery usage. Avoid overcharging. Overcharging your phone's battery can reduce its overall lifespan, so avoid leaving it plugged in for extended periods of time. Remember, every phone is different and some of these tips may not work for you, but following these general guidelines should help you extend your phone's battery life. I hope that you've learned a lot from my video. Don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell button for more updates. If you want to request a specific topic, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you and good day.